Hello everyone, this is Linda and today is Friday. I hope you guys are having a great day. I want to say welcome to everyone. Welcome. And I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you stopped by and yeah, I hope you guys have some great plans for this weekend just to do something really special. Now I'm inside because it's not raining yet, but it's getting dark out there, and yeah, it's about to do its little daily thing out there, and I don't want to be out there when it does it. Also, I'm at Jody's house, and I have on this sweater because Jody likes her house cold, and I'm talking cold. I have on socks. Really. But yeah, the kids have allergies and, asthma. And so, yeah, and I get it. So let it stay cold, but give me some more clothes and I'm good. I want to thank you all for all your sweet words on the video of Jody singing. I love that song. And I think one of the subscribers says, yes, there's a message in the music. Let me tell you something. That was me, Yeah. But thank God I made it through. And Jody too. Yeah. And you can also. Yeah. But anyway, guys, listen. I came today because I want to tell you all about part 3 and the last part to our series on gardening on your balcony. So first thing I want to say, I want to thank you all, but one of my subscribers said it great for me and I loved it. She said, you don't need a drill sergeant when it comes to gardening. Listen, baby, your garden is your garden. Yeah, I would definitely listen to advice from anyone. Anyone will give me advice, I will listen. Doesn't cost anything to listen. But in the end, I'm going to do as I do. It's for me. And you should too. Let no one tell you how you can do, arrange, whatever. Your garden is your garden. Yeah, right? Yeah. But so we talked about vegetables in your pots on your garden. So you can grow cabbage, in the big pot, collard greens, mustard greens, any kind of vegetable you want. You can even grow some peas, put up a little trellis. They have them, if you don't know how to make them, which is so very easy, definitely you can buy these small trellises and stick it in your pot and have your peas growing up. Yeah. So the last thing I want to we talked about herbs too. And I cannot stress enough, this video I'm going to put at the end, and it is me in Family Dollar. Listen, guys, I haven't been to Family Dollar in years, but I've been missing out on some stuff. Now, I'm going to show you a picture right here. This is a plant bag called Topsy Turvy. And at one time, it used to be like $19, and a friend, a subscriber of mine, and I'm so sorry, I cannot remember her name, but the name of her channel is Growing Your Own Food. Yes, Growing Your Own Food. She is a knowledgeable young lady. Seriously, I tell you who she makes me think of. She makes me think of Deborah Christmas. Yeah, she is a young Deborah Christmas. She had that knowledge of her plants. She had a garden at her home, and she also had a community garden. But this young lady is knowledgeable. So please, I'm going to leave a link to her channel in the description box. Please go over and check her out. She is knowledgeable. And I know you're going to walk away with something. Okay? Yeah, you walk away with something. Not everything, but you're going to walk away with something. All right? So anyway, the Family Dollar, they have beautiful, big pots. You're going to see them. So anyway, we talked about the herbs, right? I'm just going all over the place. I know. We talked about the herbs, and so let's talk about the flowers. Okay, so the flowers is for your state of mind. Yeah, it's for after work, and you kick off your shoes and you go sit on your balcony with your beverage, whatever it may be, and you just chill. You wipe out all that craziness that went on at work. Let it go. Let it go. So either you can buy seedlings, or definitely you can buy seeds and just watch those babies grow. Now, I'm going to put a list of fall flowers here in Louisiana. I'm not talking about up north, because, yeah, I know you guys get a lot of snow. We did get snow last year, but that is not the norm for Louisiana. Well, southern Louisiana. Let me say that. So I'm going to put a list of flowers for the fall, and I'm going to put a list of heat-tolerant flowers that you can have in the shade, and they will thrive. So for my Louisiana subscribers, I'm going to say Louisiana, Texas, could be even Florida could benefit from this. I don't know. But I know maybe Texas and Mississippi. Yeah, Mississippi, Texas, Louisiana. I'm just thinking because we all have that kind of similar weather patterns. I would suggest that you subscribe to LSU Ag Center. LSU Ag Center is just so full of information. It is crazy. And they give you plants they're working on, what is new coming up. They talk about fig trees, everything, everything. Louisiana, LSU Ag Center. Please, I'm going to leave a link to their channel in my description box just for you guys, okay? Now listen, anyone else from any other state, definitely, if you want to subscribe, please subscribe. You will get something out of it also, yeah. So another thing I want to talk to you about is how to identify your plants. Guys, I had that problem too. I call a petunia a sweet pea, so I have the problem. And yeah, we all make mistakes. I do. Here am I. But I did find something that kind of helped me a little bit. All right. And that is an app called Plant Snap. Now listen, there is a lot of apps to identify your plants. This is just the one I chose. And it's called Plant Snap. And you just take a picture of it. It have a camera in it. Snap that picture, and it doesn't only give you one flower, it gives you a variety of flowers or plants that it could be. So you could take a picture of trees, vines, flowers, foliage. Yeah, check it out. And now I can stop calling petunias sweet peas, right? But hey, I'm human. So anyway, flowers. So I'm going to list a list of fall flowers and heat tolerant flowers in the shade. Now you need to put these flowers in a shaded place because no one likes to be in that sun, 90-degree plus weather every day. No. Okay? So those are the things that I definitely wanted to stress to you and have fun with it. Have fun with it. This is something that is going to benefit you, but it's fun. It's, it's relaxing. Yeah, you will love it. And when you get to a place in your life where you're going to have a yard, then you start doing it, because after, when you have all these plants, you must know how to preserve them. Now that's a whole nother video, right? So I'm going to send you all over to Paula's channel. It is called Garden City, and this is just to preserve your plants. This is just one way you can preserve. She had this seal, bag seal. I ordered it from Amazon. Thank you, Paula. Yeah, so I'm going to put a link to her channel in the description box. So you're going to get grow your own food. I'm going to link Deborah Christmas just so you all can see what I'm talking about, right? And I'm also going to link LSU Ag Center. I'm going to get it all. But listen, I want you to have a great time with your balcony garden. And if you have any questions, I'm going to leave my email address in the description box just for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, because, I'm going all over the place because I'm excited and but I love it. I love it so, and I know you will too. And the little ones, I know they will love it also, right? But anyway, guys, I want you all to please have a great, great Friday. Have a great weekend. Yeah, do something special just because. Yeah. All right, guys. Later, y'all. Oh, stay tuned for the video at the end, okay? All right. Hi guys, this is the Dollar General. Will you look at these pots? Oh, yeah, they are so cool and they cost so much less than Home Depot. $6. These are nice pots. Look how big this pot is. This is $10, but this is huge. So I'm looking for something specific from Dollar General. And they have some hanging baskets here for $4. Look at that. And this what is a barrel? That's really cool. I gotta get that. I gotta get that one. I don't have that. And this is so cute. Oh my goodness. It's $12. This one. That one is nice for $12. It's cool. And seed starter trays. Yeah.
What you do? So you
and soil.